Hello everyone, my name is Jannu Parameshwar. Welcome to my channel JP Online Tutorials. Today I am going to explain you about phrasal preposition. What is a phrasal preposition? It is a combination of two or more than two words. It functions as singular preposition. Now we are going to see words. In front of, it context, place, position. Instead of, in the place of, in spite of, as a substitute for, next to, beside of. Now we are going to see usage of in front of. Example, the car is stopped in front of my house. Here, my house is place. The bus is stopped in front of school. School is place here. The teacher stood in front of the class. Class is here place. The bank is in front of the post office. Post office is place. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.